In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files in Adobe Reader. To merge files, you need the Pro version of Adobe Reader. This feature is not available in the free version. If you don't have the Pro version, keep watching until the end for an alternate method. If you do have the Pro version, start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your PC. Once open, click on See All Tools at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down and find the Combine Files option, then select it. Next, click on Add Files. A window will open, allowing you to select the PDF files you want to merge. Navigate to the location of your files, select them all, and click Open. The selected PDFs will be imported into Adobe Reader. If you want to change the order of the pages within the merged documents, hover over the file that contains multiple pages. An expand icon will appear. Click on it to see all the pages within that PDF. You can now drag and drop the pages to rearrange them as needed. Once you're satisfied with the order, click on Combine at the top right corner of the screen. Adobe Reader will merge the files into a single PDF. To save the merged file, click on the menu at the top left corner of the screen and select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the merged file, enter a name, and click Save. The merged file will now be saved in the specified location. If you don't have the Pro version and still want to merge PDF files, open a browser and search for Merge PDF Files online. Several websites offer free PDF merging services. Make sure to select a site that ensures data privacy and security. Upload your files, merge them, and download the final document. And that's how you can merge PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Reader.